your AI superpowers with MCP.
Hello everyone. Most of you already heard the word MCP. So let me just quickly give one basic example like how we can use MCP, and then I will show you how you can create MCP for any tool you want to use using LLM. So before LLM, what you were doing, just let's take example of email. So let's say you want to reply on specific email and you want to take help from LLM. You want LLM to draft email for you. So before MCP, what you were doing is you were copying whole email and then giving to LLM and saying, okay, draft one reply for me, and then it draft the reply, and then you are copying that email and replying to original email, right? So this was the procedure, right? But it's actually taking lots of time and efforts. But now, what if I tell you that you can give power to your LLM of your Gmail tool? So you just have to write down, okay, just reply to this email, and it will directly draft the email, and it will ask you permission from you, like you want to reply this specific draft I have created. And if once you give the permission, it will send automatically. You don't have to do anything. So this is not for only Gmail. You can do this for any applications, any application, just name it, whether it's a LinkedIn or your Instagram, or let's say your CRM tool. Whatever tool you want to integrate with your LLM, you can do by using MCP. So MCP is basically a protocol defined by or created by Anthropic, which is the parent company of Claude. But it's open source, so anyone can use and implement in any LLM, whether it's ChatGPT or Perplexity or anyone, anywhere, right? Now the question is how you can create MCP. So I will show you like how you can create, but if you don't want to create by yourself, there are a bunch of websites where you can directly go, and they already created MCPs for almost all the applications in the market, so you can directly reuse those. But there are security concerns with those, right? So I will show you today like how you can create one MCP for yourself, and you can use that with all the LLM. So if you are creating one MCP, then that same MCP you can use with Claude, ChatGPT, or Perplexity, or any LLM you're using, right? So without wasting any time, let's get started and see like how we can create MCP. Okay, to create MCP, the easiest way is like using N18, because N18 already have this node called MCP server trigger, which basically allow us to trigger this MCP from any LLM. So I already created this demo MCP server where I have used Gmail as a tool. You can use any tool, and any tool you want to give access to LLM you can use here. So after creating this, what you have to do is just click on this server node, and then you copy this production URL. It's already in active mode. Now we have to go to the Claude. Inside Claude desktop, click on this setting button. From setting, go to the developer, and from there click on this edit config button, and from here open this JSON file in any code editor. Because I already created this MCP, so I have this Tanja. In your case it will be a blank, so just paste this Tanja with URL. Let me replace this URL with the latest URL we just copied, and let me change this name. For example, let me remove this new as of now, and let me save this. So now when I am going here, you can see that I have this Gmail assistant new. Let me quit this whole application and now reopen this. Okay, now you can see here our MCP is here. Anytime you can disable enable from here, this toggle, and from inside you have all these three tools we have defined there. From here also, if you want to disable any of those, you can do that. Now let's go ahead and try out this, like how this MCP actually work. So let me say get all my unread emails from today. So you see, I haven't mentioned that to fetch that from this specific MCP or anything. It's like just I'm talking to another person, and you see in backend it's fetching all the things from that specific MCP. It's asking for my permission, so I'm allowing this. And here you can see which tool it's using. It's using that get email tool, and you can see now it's fetched that I have 1100 emails on my this particular Gmail account which I gave. Okay, let's say now if I want to reply any of these email, for example, let's say this first one. This is just I think promotion email, but let me say reply this email with thank you. Okay, let's say I want to thank to that specific email. Allow once. So it already sent this email. If I want it to draft specific email for specific kind of stuff, I can ask, but in this case I already said okay, just send with thank. Yeah, that's it guys. So you can see that creating MCP server is really very easy. You can create your own MCP server for any tool you want to create. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this whole video.
Unleash your AI with MCP. Discover the strength to empower your future.